Kwingineko, chama cha Maendeleo Chap Chap kimefanya kongamano la kitaifa ambapo wanachama wake wanaowania viti mbalimbali wamekutana katika ukumbi wa uwanja wa Kasarani hapa Nairobi. Kiongozi wa chama hicho Alfred Mutua ametangaza kuwa chama hicho kitatumia mfumo wa hatua tano kwenye mchujo wake.
Maendeleo Chap Chap has taken the position that the elections in this year must be held on Tuesday, August 8th, 2017 and should not be moved. IBC should consult all political parties and not sections of the political class. And if you want action as a Kenyan, the only choice that you've got, the only assured choice that you've got is to elect a governor who is Chap Chap, is to elect a senator who is Chap Chap, is to elect a member of parliament who is Chap Chap, is to elect a woman rep who is Chap Chap, is to elect an MCA who is Chap Chap. Because if you have Chap Chap leaders elected, these leaders are going to change the way things are done in this country, and everything in Kenya will be Chap Chap.
Maendeleo Chap Chap is no longer belonging to one Dr. Alfred Mutua. It has already grown out of the bounds. If you come to Embu right now, we already have structures within Embu County. Mpaka saa hizi wananiita governor senator. Au senator governor, whichever. Because they feel that they have embraced it. They don't see the tribe in it.